Alrighty then. I'll put that there. This should go up here. This here. This here. This right now can go here. Whoops, don't want to mess that one up. Just built that thing. This remote for something. Oh, I know what that one is. This here. This. Put that there for right now. And I got to get this all straightened out. All these batteries. See these batteries right here, people? They're junk. Junk. Pieces of. Don't buy them. I don't even know where this guy come from. Oh, wrong floor. Mr. Kitty, you're gonna have to move your little butt. Oh, he's just as curious as anybody else is, isn't he? Okay, where's this from? It doesn't say. Okay. As you can see, he is curious too. Yeah. What do you think of that, cat? Kitty. Well, I may not need to have that, huh? Well, I don't know where it came from or what it is. Ow. Don't do that. Here's the bag. Yep, that's what I thought. I said it was going to be out. This is going to be another one. It's going to help me out a lot. It's for electronics, etc. Now, to take it. Now, I told you, I told everybody that I know that I would never buy from eBay ever again. But I didn't have to. It's just that I wanted to give them a second chance. What the heck is that? Oh, I know what that is. Never mind. Okay, oh, I got this. Cut this open here. And if this does not work, I will be obviously madder than mad. Let's turn this over like this. Open this like this. Just like this. Information. That's not a bad looking screen. Okay. Okay, let's pull this Moby Tingle out. Well, how do you get it out of there? Oh, I see. Sure, you see. Ah, there it is. That's a big screen. That is a big screen. And I can put an SD card in there. I'll delete. Put that there for a moment. Get this out of here. And I do not understand as the reason why this is not, well, I can. This is European. I don't use that. But I can use this and all of this. This is nice. It's actually well built. Okay, now Made in China, of course. You stay down, little kitty cat. In video mode. Okay, let us alrighty then. Don't get across threaded. This is aluminum and it will strip easily. Okay, now I gotta get a pair of pliers. I don't have any here, do I? No, and I got them in here. Alright, get up! Get down, Dad and Nephew! Just want to get on the back of the damn couch. Chair, that is. Yeah, I know. Overkill, right? What do you say we take this and this, put it right there for a moment, and get this and this hooked up first before we do anything. Button this puppy down. Okay. Put this in here. Whoops. And put this here. Put that there. And then we will go to, kind of loose, but that's alright. That's alright. Go to the instructions, which I suggest everybody read. But, one momento, we'll be back.